Hi, girl. I have some great news today. But before I share the news, I just want to ask you, what are you doing to take care of yourself emotionally, physically, mentally? Because self-care is not selfish. We're just trying to serve the people around you from a place of love, from a place of abundance and peace and joy, and not a place of exhaustion. And the most important question is, how are you feeling? How are you really feeling? See, a lot of people find a way to settle, a way to survive and endure pain. They sit on pain and say, it will be fine. I'm okay. They're in I'm fine coma. I'm okay. See, no change or transformation can ever happen in someone's life without a decision that is backed up with a commitment. So if you want to feel great, if you want to shrink the fibroids naturally, you got to make a change. And that change starts with a decision and backed with a commitment. It's the ingredients for transformation. Now, if you've been avoiding a decision to change, I hope that this great news might just be what you need to get started. So, if you've been experiencing the fibroid symptoms and pains, you're dealing with heavy, painful, irregular periods that are dictating your life, what you wear, what you do, or what time of the month. You're dealing with painful pelvic pain. You're literally uncomfortable in your body. I've put together 36 yummy plant-based detox recipes that are going to detox your body, eliminate the pain and inflammation and any toxins from your body. They're going to balance your hormone so that way you can gain that healthy, vibrant life that you dream of, that you deserve. These recipes are meant to pull that extra estrogen in your body, to balance it, to bring it to a state of balance, so that way you can start eliminating fibroid tissues. So you just need to just make that decision. You're ready to just do this. Just do this, So above this video, I have a link about the ebook guide. It's downloadable, which means you can have it on your phone whenever you want it. You can access it from your laptop, your iPad, no excuses. You can download it. It has grocery list ready done for you. So I want to help you help yourself. And it starts with your decision. So go ahead, click that link. You will get more information and start detoxing. Be well, be healthy, be safe. I'll catch you next time.